What if I told you Volvo's most important SUV of the decade isn't loud, flashy, or trying to impress you with gimmicks, but instead might quietly reset what a smart, safe, premium electric SUV should be? And yes, today we're talking about the Volvo EX60, a car that isn't here to chase trends, it's here to outgrow them. And before we dive in, if you want honest, neutral, reality check car reviews without hype or brand bias, hit subscribe now because this channel calls it exactly. The exterior design doesn't scream for attention, and that's intentional because Volvo design has matured into confidence over drama, with a clean, sculpted body that feels aerodynamic without looking slippery, sharp without being aggressive, and modern without feeling cold. The signature Thor's Hammer LED lights evolve into a slimmer, more digital expression. The grille area is closed off and minimal as expected from a next-gen EV. The proportions are balanced with a strong shoulder line, tight panel gaps, and a stance that feels planted rather than bulky. And while it won't turn heads like a wild concept car, it has that quiet, premium presence that grows on you the longer you look. The kind of design that still looks right 5 years later instead of aging overnight. Step inside, and this is where Volvo really flexes its philosophy, because the EX60 cabin is expected to blend Scandinavian minimalism with next-level tech, meaning fewer buttons, smarter screens, and materials that feel responsibly premium rather than overdone. Recycled and sustainable trims that still feel expensive to the touch. A clean dashboard dominated by a large central touchscreen running Google-based software. A fully digital driver display that's clear and calm instead of overwhelming. Ambient lighting that sets a relaxed mood, and seats that remind you why Volvo has some of the best ergonomics in the business. Plus, advanced safety tech baked into the structure, not added as an afterthought, including next-gen driver assistance, enhanced sensors, and AI-assisted systems designed to help you, not babysit you. All while keeping the cabin quiet, airy, and stress-free. Now, let's talk about how it moves, because while official numbers may vary depending on final trims, the EX60 is built on Volvo's latest electric platform, meaning instant torque, smooth power delivery, and a driving experience focused more on confidence than chaos. Acceleration should be quick but controlled. The center of gravity sits low thanks to the battery pack, giving it stable cornering without pretending to be a sports SUV. The steering is expected to be light but precise, perfect for daily driving. The suspension tuned for comfort over harshness, and the overall ride experience aimed at making long commutes, road trips, and city driving feel effortless, not exhausting. And that's the point here. This isn't about drag races. It's about feeling calm, secure, and in control every single day. Pricing isn't officially locked yet, but expect the Volvo EX60 to sit in the premium electric SUV space, likely competing with models like the Tesla Model Y, Audi Q6 e-tron, and BMW iX3, with pricing reflecting its safety tech, build quality, and brand positioning. The pros are clear. Elegant design that ages well, a thoughtfully designed interior, strong safety focus, smooth electric performance, and a brand that prioritizes real-world usability. The cons: no wild performance variants for thrill seekers, design that may feel too subtle for some, and pricing that won't be budget-friendly. But here's the honest verdict. If you want an electric SUV that feels intelligent, mature, and genuinely human-focused rather than trend-obsessed, the Volvo EX60 could be one of the smartest choices in its class. And if that kind of thinking resonates with you, don't leave yet. Click the next video on your screen because it dives even deeper into a car that might completely change how you look at